Hello, Dr. Kemp here, the Hammond Doc. I'm sitting here in my electronics shop here at Vintage B3 Oregon Incorporated, and I'm just taking a short break from my work in here, and I'm working on Leslie motors this evening. In fact, let me show you one that I have on the desk. I'm gonna make a video of in just a moment, because I'm going to disassemble this motor and clean it and oil it and then reassemble it. So I'm taking a break from that. I just finished doing a slow motor. This one is ready to go, and I just made a video of it. And I just thought that I just wanted to take a second and just pan around, let you take a look at my shop here at Vintage B3 Oregon Incorporated. You see some Leslie 122 amplifiers up there, some Leslie 147 amplifiers there, some vintage audio generators, and DC power supply right over here. This is new, and these are two vintage instruments here. I have a shelf of some interesting artifacts over there, Leslie and Hammond artifacts, a table full of motors to be worked on, so I have plenty of projects there. Back over here is my desk where I work on Leslie amplifiers. So this is my workstation, and this is where the Hammond Doc sits right here. I have my computer so I can look things up. Got some chips over here in case I get hungry. Got shipping boxes and supplies back here, Leslie supplies, AO28 preamplifiers, instruments that do testing for capacitors and for transformers here, multimeter, the Fluke 189, a Hatco soldering station, another Fluke 45 on the desk. This is my station where I put the amps at and rebuild amps, which I have plenty of those to rebuild. And see, here's some amps I have down here that I have to rebuild. I have amps here to rebuild. These are various components that are parts that I use to put into the amps to rebuild them. And of course, my shelves full of Leslie parts, rotors. I got some speakers over here, like some reverb speakers, more rotors. Look at all these crossovers. Oh, God has really blessed me with crossovers, new upper drivers, ferrofluid drivers. Here are motors. I just finished rebuilding these motors right here, and these are some one-speed motors. I just finished rebuilding that two-speed lower motor right there. Got a box full of parts down here. That's my trash can, and I got cleaning supplies down in here, cleaning supplies, sprays and air, and some hand wipes right there. Transformers and wires here, test leads, little cloth right there, batteries, tubes, Relays are right here. So it's like this is a 147 relays, 147 solid state relays, a couple of Trek solid state relays. Here's a box full of 147 vintage 147 relays right here. So I can open this box. I got a box of vintage relays right there. And there, what was that? Potter and Bloomfield. Potter and Broomfield relays. Those are the ones that they put into the vintage. Those are vintage amplifier. Some stops here. These are like the up stops, felts, and more drivers here. These are the